विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड। पहले हम विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड एंटर करें, उससे पहले हमें फोल्डर बनाने की जरूरत है। इसमें हम कवर करेंगे कि हाउ टू क्रिएट ए सिंपल वेबसाइट। फॉर एग्जांपल, already I have created. Let me show you this Jack web. In this folder we have this one file, this second file, and this. It's not file, it may be file. Let me show you. This was a website that I was creating yesterday. Today I will take particular tags, and I will be practicing by showing you that how to use this kind of this kind of tags. So I'm not an expert in this field, but I'm trying to become expert in this field. So don't think that I am a advanced teacher, or you can say advanced expertise. No, I'm just learning person. So yeah, this was just an example to show you that that is how we create. I didn't show you process, but I show you what a simple website that was created by the beginner person. So let me check. Yeah, this is working. This is working. तो पहले हमें फोल्डर बनाना है कुछ इस तरह से, जैसे कि हम इस तरह न्यू में जाएंगे तो फोल्डर यहाँ बन जाएगा। तो फोल्डर और वेबसाइट का नाम वगैरह, फॉर एग्जांपल एजुकेशन का, तो इस तरह का एक फोल्डर बनेगा। बस फोल्डर बनाना, फोल्डर काम रहता है वो फाइल्स को रखे, उसमें फाइल्स इंफॉर्मेशन रखे। ये एक बार बन जाएगा तो फिर उसके बाद हम विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड में जाएंगे, फिर उसमें फाइल बनाएंगे, फाइल इसमें सेव करना होगा। फॉर एग्जांपल मैं नहीं बताऊंगा बिकॉज वी विल बी डूइंग कोडिंग, दैट्स व्हाई। सो हमें अब फाइल बनाने की जरूरत है। तो फाइल किस में बनाना, फोल्डर में, जिस फोल्डर में हम चाहते हैं, क्योंकि मैंने 3-4 फोल्डर बनाया है। तो अभी जो जस्ट आई क्रिएटेड, सो आई वांट टू गो इन दैट पार्टिकुलर folder so that we can create a particular file. So here you can see there is an option which name is open folder. Just click on it. You will go over here and you have to select your liked what folder, whatever folder you want to select. Just select. For example, our folder is in this. So education, yeah, this, select this and go here. Particular folder. Now our work is to create files, because files are compulsory in the folder. So this is a little bit interface. Here you have to click yes, I trust authors. Now I'm not going to cover all this work of all these options. No, I will come to the main point. So this is your folder. This is your folder. In this folder, you have to create a file. For example, here there is option of a file, new file. Just click on it, and you have to name it. But before you name it, remember extension, importance of extension. For example, for HTML, we have HTML extension, and for CSS extension. For example, let me name it as a index. Here, this is your name, your file name. It is your choice. But after this, your choice will not be present. Here, once you have named it, at the end of this, you have to type a extension, which is very compulsory. By this, our file will work. our computer will understand, yes, you are going to in this particular documents, and you are working these things. Then computer will respond you. So index, so what things that you need to type at the end of your file name. So that is what just point and then HTML, because your document is a HTML. So here HTML. Okay, you can see here there is a icon, you can say a symbol. It is showing you that yeah, you are on right path, you can say. You have created a correct file. Yeah, that is what you understand by observing this symbol. So yeah, extension in this file is html.html. This is very important. So just enter it and can say one file which name is index.html has been created. Remember, in this only we will our focus will be on HTML, or you can say structure, not CSS, not JavaScript. Okay, don't involve JavaScript functions in this particular file, no? Because particularly we have created this file, no? So other things we don't need to involve in this. Otherwise, it will be this that. Okay, so don't create confusion among you. So yeah, this is HTML. Like that, you can create more files. For example, you wanted to add uh, a special file, a special stacks, then just add a file if you don't have a space. I don't think that you want to have a space. There is a lot of space. So new file will give you more options to type coding. Okay, or this new file will give you options to go in particular extension. For example, right now we have a HTML extension. And now you think that yeah, I want to go in a CSS extension. Then just create new file in which you will be doing CSS. Okay, CSS. So let me show you first of all HTML. I'm not going to cover CSS, JavaScript. Just right now in this particular lecture, my focus will be on index HTML file. Separately, I will discuss about CSS. So first of all, let's see what is the work of HTML, how to do coding events in this HTML extension file. So there is a basic of HTML that we need to write once time, and you can bring by clicking shift and one. For example, shift one. Now just type enter. This is a basic that we need to type only one time. And in this, just whatever you want to type, just type in this. But I'm saying that this document type HTML. This is what is one thing which we need to type once time, not again and again, in one particular HTML file. Okay. So here it shows, look here, doc means document, type means it is a type of a document. That is what is the meaning of a doc type. HTML, it is our document. Okay. So what type of a document you have? So answer should be HTML. After in second line HTML. In second line we have HTML LNG. Language of HTML is what? So answer is AM, means English. So here you can change if in this visual code or you can say in this HTML are more language that you wanted, for example Hindi. If Hindi is present in this particular HTML uh, project, then yeah, you can enter your language Hindi. Otherwise, if this is not present, then it will not work. Okay, so already a language will be fixed, so that language you will have to select so that it can work properly without any barrier, without any lag. So okay, this is about language. So language of I think language of HTML you can say. What should be language of HTML? Just for example, here in this, whatever we'll be typing, whatever we will be typing, all those letters or characters will be in English language. That is what is the meaning of this lang eng. I'm not saying that okay, did we have done coding, okay, coding. Now you will see on a browser, your CSS, HTML functions will be shown, and text that are written perhaps will be written in Hindi, in English. You can change in other language, but I'm not talking about. It is not talking about that thing. No, it is talking about whatever you are going to type in this file. Your language is going to be English. Here, if you change Hindi, so here you can type in Hindi. That is what is the meaning of a language. Meaning of this thing. Okay. So remember, language you have to type in HTML. Then your next tag will come, which is ahead. Okay, head. In the tag of head, we write this tag. Then title means what type of title do you want to write? Do you want to type? For example, right now we have a document. Then just end it with this tag, whatever tag you started, and then just end with this same tag. Just one thing will be added, which is a slash. Now next we have a body. This is the main part, or you can say main section. In this we write everything. We write a lot of things. We insert a lot of images, a lot of links. So all these links, images, and text, this will be shown by this HTML document on browser. Whatever we will be able to see on browsers, so that will be in our body tags. Okay. For example, here we can see this English language, this width, device width, viewport, content, whatever is written in head tag, or yeah, in head tag. This will not be shown on your browser, but it will work behind the browser as a Google information. It will provide information to Google. It will say that yeah, that is what is our document. Our document is saying like this thing, and then Google will understand. Then Google will understand. Okay. Then Google will uh, will work according to our document. Whatever information we have provided to Google, if Google detected that yeah, this is an error, it is not valid for our community, then of course that Google will reject your. It can be, it may be. So according to Google, whatever he thinks, for example, Google has community rules. Then just a thing you have created, and you are going, your project is done. Okay, your project is done. Now you want to that yeah, uh, take it to Google, then Google will take, but but just for few seconds, for few minutes Google will take, but to verify is the main thing for the Google, that Google will verify it. Yeah, is your document following our community rules? That is what will be verified. If your verification is complete and there is no error, there is no violence in your document, then yeah, your project will be accepted. This is a process of agreement of your document. Okay. So we were on this point initial. So this thing will work behind the browser, and whatever will be present inside body tags will be shown on browser. On browser. Okay. So let me type something. so that it can be an example for you. Then you will practice it. So here our focus will be on understanding the tags, how does it work, and understanding. Yeah, understanding is very important. Here you will see real. It is not a theory, no? But this is a practical. This is going to practical, not theory. Now let me start. Whatever you want to show on browser. So of course you have to enter in border tag as I have entered in border tag. Now I want to start with heading tags, not a head. There is a user difference, a head and heading tags. Heading, yeah, heading tags. H, which first letter is H. So this is symbol you will have to use. Then H1. You know, main you will appreciate this Visual Studio Code. Why? Reason is just you type one which is valid for the document. It will give you additional information. It will tell you, yeah, ahead of it, you are going to type this. So just it is helping you. So here H1, just you can see I have just entered this symbol, and you can see ahead of this what is coming H1, hello world, and then a close tag. So just I typed one symbol, and it is helping by saying, yeah, you can write H1. So let me write H1, then close it, close it. For hello world, okay. Just we are starting. So hello world. No, my website, my website. Okay, and it will close your tag when you start. When you entered starting close, starting tag. So it is already gave you. It already provides you what uh, close tag. You don't need to think about the close tag. Okay, just you have to start your closing starting tag. Now we want that it should work. Yeah, it should work on browser. So let me show you. Yeah, just go on go live. Just go on go live, and you will see it is going to work. Here you can see. Here you can see. Now let me isolate it. Then yeah, it is also work. Here you will see work as well as you will be doing coding. Okay. Okay. Let me check. Yeah, this is working. This is working. No, this was it. Let me show you one more thing. Here H is we know what is H. हम जानते हैं कि H क्या है, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो मेन थिंग है कि वन, तो ये जो वन डिजिट है ये बताएगा कि आपका हेडिंग कितना बिग होना चाहिए, कितना लार्ज होना चाहिए. तो यू कैन से नाउ आई वांट टू शो यू डिफरेंस बिटवीन 1 2 3 4 5 6 till the 6. If you want to customize, you can say if you want to modify size of the text, then you have another option that I will show you later. So here let me show you difference between H1 and H2. H1 H2. So here H2 H2. Yeah. Now welcome to my website. And this is your close tag. Here you can see welcome to my. What is it? What are you observing? You are observing that as we entered this two here height, yeah, height of this text has been decreased. Yeah, has been decreased. That is what is means. One will be mm, your maximum height of your text. Two will decrease. Three more will decrease as compared to two, and four will decrease as compared to three, and fifth will decrease more as compared to four. Six will decrease completely more as compared to one, you can say, or five. I will show you all. So here we have H3, H3. This is my this is my this is a simple web page. This is my first website. Okay, this is my website. Now just to see what's the difference. Here it is a decreasing gradually. Now this is increasing slowly. Why? Because number is increasing, so height of the text is decreasing. Number is increasing, so height of the text is decreasing. मतलब नंबर बढ़ रहा डिजिट बढ़ रहा तो जो हाइट ऑफ द टेक्स्ट वो डिक्रीज हो रहा है, जस्ट अपोजिट इनवर्सली जैसे हम कहते हैं इनवर्सली. अब H4 को देखें तो H4 I am a beginner for my new website. I am excited to share. I am excited to share my work with you. Now let me, yeah, this closing task has been closed already. Here you can see I'm excited to share my work with you. Just you see difference between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to H5. Now H5. I hope you enjoy your visit. I hope you will enjoy my website. I hope you will enjoy my first website. Okay, so this was the H5. Now one last which is H6. Thanks for these are sentences that are just examples of visiting my website. Now you can see difference. Conclusion is if you increase H1, H2, H3, height of the headings will decrease. This is what is work of heading tags. Okay, these are limits. Limited, you can say. If you want to modify according to your wish, then yeah, we have more options for this. It was just for heading. This was just for heading. Now next tag which we have that is a paragraph tag. Paragraph tag. So for paragraph tag we use just p letter, just p. So in paragraph, as you know, we write a lot of things according to our requirement. Heading is a heading, paragraph is a paragraph. In paragraph we write a lot of things, so whatever can be number of words, number of sentences, just write by using paragraph. In heading, just we type some words, few sentence, 2-3 sentence, maximum 2-3 sentence, but minimum or minimum 2-3 words, yeah. But if you want to type more sentences, more words, so this is a tag which is suitable for your work paragraph tag. Now, um, this is a not advanced website. Yes, it is a normal website. Work of yeah. Work of this is to learn HTML. मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये जो सेंटेंसेस है वो ब्रेक करे। इसके लिए भी हमारे पास एक बहुत ही सिंपल टैग जिसको हम BR कहते हैं, ब्रेक। फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये ब्रेक करे कहाँ पर, वर्क पर करे, वर्क पर। अच्छा, ये H6 क्लोज नहीं हुआ है, H6 क्लोज नहीं हुआ है, तो इसको क्लोज किया जाए। इसके लिए हमारे पास है स्लैश या ऑटोमेटिक। आप काम करें। दिस इज नॉट एडवांस वेबसाइट, यस इट इज अ नॉर्मल वेबसाइट। मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये वर्क से टूट कर दूसरा लाइन में आ जाए, तो इसके लिए हमारे पास एक टैग है जिसे यूज करते हैं BR, यानी BR कैंसिल। Yeah, this is correct. एक बार और BR टैग हो जाए तो यहाँ I was just learning HTML and I thought that I should create a simple website just for confidence. And now this is in front of you. Now this is in front of you, लेकिन BR tag एक बार और BR tag एक बार और या एक बार और BR tag तो now this is in front of you, in front of you. Now this is in front of you. You will judge it. You have right to judge it. You can see, you can judge it. You can judge it. I took this in front of a public so that I can take feedback. It can be negative or it can be positive. So yeah, negative. Here B R. So I took this in front of the public, so that I can take your feedback, so that I can take feedback of public. Feedback दिस इज इनफ. ये पैराग्राफ है जिसमें हम बहुत सारे टेक्स्ट लिख सकते हैं, वर्ड्स आ सकते हैं और सेंटेंसेस, अनलिमिटेड सेंटेंस. इसी को ही पैराग्राफ बोला जाता है. पैराग्राफ में अगर चाहे तो हम, क्योंकि जरूरत पड़ता है कि लाइन टूटे वहाँ पर कुछ गैप रहे, तो उसके लिए हमारे पास PR टैग्स है जो कि अपना अपने इम्पोर्टेंस दिखाता है. तो ये P पैराग्राफ टैग भी कंप्लीट हो गया. P पैराग्राफ टैग भी कंप्लीट हो गया. अब अगला, इसके बाद पैराग्राफ के बाद मुझे लगता है कि मेरे पास एक वेबसाइट है जिस W